To use VapCare with on-demand oral brushing, the following steps must be done. First, connect the VC filter tube between the oral port of the main control unit and the collection container. Connect the suction tube to the same collection container. Finally, connect the oral brush to the free end of the suction tube. Press the on-demand button of the main control unit and select the on-demand brushing option, and then press Start. Close the opening of the brush to ensure the suction reaches the tip, and slowly insert the brush into the oral cavity. Press Pause button to stop the suction in the device. To change the oral brushing pressure, press Settings button and select Suction Settings. Now navigate to the brushing pressure, and select the desired pressure. Now press the OK button to save the settings.